Both fruits and milk contain sugar, and this sugar is a healthy sugar. Many people have heard that sugar is bad and think that this must also, therefore, apply to fruits. Unhealthy sugar is normally found in desserts, ice cream, etc. It's much easier to consume excess sugar from foods and drinks that contain free sugars. Free sugars include these same sugars, but in this case, they have been removed from their naturally occurring source, rather than being eaten as natural parts of fruits, dairy products, and some vegetables and grains. This includes sugar that is added to food and drinks by food companies, cooks, or consumers. Many people drink juices, and this is a healthy approach. But directly eating fruits is better, because the human body can process it easily. It is better to eat a small piece of fruit, which our bodies can digest better rather than drink smoothies, or more than half a cup of fruit juice because it is the same as drinking soft drinks.